If you love quick and tasty meals, you're in the right place. Today I'll be sharing with you 5 easy breakfast and dessert recipes that you can make without breaking a sweat. Whether you have a sweet tooth or you just want to make something very fast. This ain't your basic French toast. It's the kind that make you feel like a brunch king and queen without even leaving your house. It's so easy to make. Let's get into it. First thing first, grab your bread. I'm using regular sandwich slices. Cut each slices in half, diagonally or straight across. We're not judging. Then set it aside. Now crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add your sugar, a pinch of salt, a full cup of milk, and a teaspoon of cinnamon because flavor is mandatory, not optional. Whisk it all together like your life depends on it. Now dip each slice of bread into the mixture. Make it both sides. Let it soak just enough, but don't drown it. And set it aside. In a dry pan, add a little oil and a small slice of butter. Trust me, that's the secret to that golden crispy edge. Once it's hot, gently lay your dipped bread in. Flip it once they are golden brown, and when both sides are looking like toasted perfection. Take it out and place it on a clean plate and repeat until the whole batch is done. Stack them up with syrup, fruits, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar if you are feeling extra. Look at how crispy the edges are and fluffy in the center. I had 2 bananas that were getting too soft, and instead of tossing them, I made these banana cupcakes. They're fluffy, sweet, and come together with no mixer. Here's how I did it. In an empty bowl, add 2 cups of flour, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of cinnamon. It's totally optional, but it smells amazing. Mix that up and set it aside. Heat a pack of small butter in microwave to melt. Peel 2 ripe bananas into a separate bowl and mash them well till almost smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of banana extract. Then crack in 2 eggs. Mix it up together. Pour in the melted butter and mix it again. Pour the wet mix into your dry mix and stir it gently. Don't overmix it. Line your cupcake pan with paper liners. Then scoop your batter in each cup. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. And it's ready. They come out super soft, fluffy, and smell like banana heaven. Save this for your next sweet craving. And please, if you like this video, in an empty bowl, I added a can of condensed milk. For flavor, I added a tablespoon of vanilla extract, but you can add any other flavor you want. It's your choice. Then I added about 2 cups of heavy cream in it. I whipped it all and kept whipping it until it gets thick and fluffy, like soft cakes. And the truth is, you don't need an ice cream machine at all to get the consistency that you want. Look at how thick and soft it is. It looks so good. Here's my popsicle mold. I poured some of it into my popsicle mold. You can see the texture, how creamy and scoopable it is. It's so soft. I left some in the bowl and froze it overnight with the cream in the popsicle mold. And it's out from the freezer, ready to be devoured. Look at the texture, creamy. It's scoopable and way better than store-bought. Try this next time you're craving something cold and sweet. You probably already have everything at home. Let me know if it's something you'll be trying. Thank you for watching. In a bowl, add a pack of cheese cream. Heat it. Then a cup of sugar. Sour cream. a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix until creamy. Add your eggs one after the other and mix for a smooth consistency. Add the flour, this is an already made graham cracker crust, which I bought from the grocery store. Add your cheesecake filling, bake it at 325 degrees for 45 minutes. When out of the oven, let it cool. Then chill it in the fridge for at least an hour. Cut it to your desired slice and in a bowl, crack your eggs. Whisk it until it's smooth. Add in some salt, curry, and seasoning. Then whisk it again to combine it together. Now toss in your diced potatoes, onions, and bacon. It's optional, but highly recommended. Time for the veggies. Add your green bell pepper, red bell pepper, plus a little scotch bonnet for the extra kick. Add your Parmesan cheese and mix it together. Spray your muffin pan with butter spray. Then scoop the egg mixture evenly into each cup. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven and muffin size. And just like that, your tasty egg muffins are ready to enjoy. Would you try this recipe? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.